This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, leveling jacks, DVD player, LP detector, awning, microwave, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, refrigerator, external shower, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is 11,377 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.